If you are somebody who has heard about Scalar School of Technology, this is the only video you need to watch.
भाई स्केलर चला जा
भाई
इतना
यार
तगड़ा
टीचर्स
पैकेज
नहीं
लगेगा ना
इंडस्ट्री
पूरी
एक्सपर्ट
एक
से
साल
आपको
की
इंटर्नशिप
internship
मिलेगी।
एनसेट पे ध्यान दे।
चलो अब सच से पर्दाफाश करते हैं। तो यार आप लोगों की तरह मैं भी आज से एग्जैक्टली एक साल पहले जेई के स्ट्रगल से निकलते हुए बाकी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स की ओर बढ़ रहा था। तब मुझे भी ये आईआईटी नाम का कीड़ा काटा हुआ था और मैं यही सोचता था कि इस बार नहीं हुआ तो एक साल का ड्रॉप लेके दोबारा ट्राई करूँगा, क्या पता उस बार आईआईटी क्रैक हो जाए। कम्प्लीटली फॉरगेटिंग द फैक्ट कि यार अगर मैं आईआईटी एनआईटी जैसे बड़े कॉलेजेस में पहुंच भी गया तो वहाँ भी मुझे वो बड़े पैकेजेस के लिए खुद ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा। तो एक दिन रैंडमली स्क्रोलिंग माय डैड फाउंड अबाउट स्केलर स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ये एक ऐसा कॉलेज था जहाँ पे वही 11th-12th वाली बोरिंग फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री नहीं पढ़ाई जाती, बल्कि वो सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाए जाते हैं जिनका एक्चुअली टेक इंडस्ट्री में कोई रेलेवेंस है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एंड एल्गोरिथम, वेब डेवलपमेंट एंड मशीन लर्निंग एंड बहुत कुछ और। अब जब तुम मुझ पे इतना विश्वास करके वीडियो पे क्लिक कर ही चुके हो तो क्यों ना मुद्दे की बात की जाए। So to get admission in Scalar School of Technology, first you have to clear the NCET exam and then clear the interview. And in this video we'll be focusing more on the NCET exam. तो यार NCET is quite different from any other competitive exam that you might have given. यहाँ पे तुम्हें PCM में से सवाल नहीं होते, बल्कि you have a mathematics section and you have a logical reasoning section. And obviously mathematics section has a more weightage than the logical reasoning section. This is the syllabus for mathematics section and logical reasoning section. ओए सिलेबस तो वेबसाइट पे भी है, ये बता पढ़ना कहाँ से है। तो यार इट्स वेरी सिंपल, मैथमेटिक्स के लिए लग जाओ सेंगेज पढ़ने। हट। So यार NCET is an exam that is quite similar to the CAT examination, and one of the best resources to prepare for the mathematics section in NCET would be the Arun Sharma Quantitative Aptitude book. And I personally use this book, and I think you do not have to solve each and every question from this book, but at least solve at least one question from each and every topic that is given in the book, or you think that topic is relevant and can come in the exam. अभी तक NCET प्रिपरेशन के लिए कोई कोचिंग सेंटर कोई कोर्स नहीं लॉन्च किया है, एंड there is no guide that is available in the market especially for NCET. So Scalar का एक खुद का boot camp है that has actually helped a lot of students clear the NCET exam and also prepare for the interview. So I personally did not watch a lot of lectures, but a lot of friends of mine have watched, and that has actually helped them in their NCET journey. So one of the very good resources to prepare for the logical reasoning section is the IndiaBlix website. I personally used it, and यहाँ पे हर topic के लिए you have a lot of questions, and वही same चीज़, you do not have to solve each and every question, but solve only the questions you think are building up your concept, and then just jump to the hard questions or the questions you think are going to help you get a good score in the exam. So I will be attaching all these resources in the description, and not only these, I'll be attaching a lot of more than this, because I think that I personally got stuck in a lot of topics like number theory जो मैंने actually JEE के time पे नहीं पढ़ी थी, and I had to search it on YouTube and वहाँ से पढ़ा. So I'll attach the lectures that I myself watched or my friends watched that actually helped them in their NCET journey. So now a few common doubts which usually students have before attempting NCET. So how many times can I give NCET in an academic year? Simple answer, unlike other competitive exams, you can give NCET 3 times in a year. And I think 3 times is sufficient for you to learn your mistakes from the previous attempt and take your time and give the next attempt. Why should you apply for the early intakes rather than the intakes in June or July? So if you apply for the early intakes, you have a flexibility कि अभी मेरी प्रिपरेशन अच्छी नहीं है, I'll just give the exam once, test कि how much I can score without the preparation, and then prepare for a month and then give the exam. So इस तरीके से you will have option to give all 3 attempts and prepare in a better way for all these attempts. Another benefit of applying for the early intakes rather than the later intakes is that you will have twice the chance of securing a scholarship than the later intakes. And this is not my statement, this is mentioned on the Scalar website. What is the cutoff for NCET exam? So यार अगर you have a very difficult exam, you will have a low cutoff. But if you have a very easy exam, you will have a very high cutoff, because people usually tend to score more in the easier exam. So cutoff ऊपर जाता है, and ऊपर का मतलब है 20 to 30%, and maybe उससे भी ऊपर जा सकता है. But for an attempt which I gave, it was even lesser than 15%. And there is another criteria for cutoff. For example, if you score more than 40% in a particular subject, you qualify the test. Personally, I feel that you should not depend on the per subject cutoff, like 40% ka cutoff, but you should prepare all the subjects. Because yaar, for example, if you have prepared only mathematics or only logical reasoning and you do not score good enough in that particular attempt, so yaar, at least you have the other subject that is a backup option for you. Should I prepare for JEE second attempt or should I prepare for NCET? Honest answer, if you are somebody who is very much dedicated to computer science, कि यार अब मुझे तो computer science ही पढ़ना है और the best place से पढ़ना है, तो you should prepare for NCET. But if you are just exploring colleges and you are not quite sure कि तुम्हारा JEE में होगा या NCET में होगा या फिर किसी और कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम में होगा, तो यार आई थिंक यू शुड फर्स्ट गिव टाइम टू JEE एंड देन फोकस ऑन NCET, क्योंकि NCET अटेम्प्ट्स बाद में भी हैं. आई हैव बीन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर JEE एंड मेरा मैथ्स बहुत अच्छा है. शुड आई इवन प्रिपेयर फॉर NCET और गिव द एग्जाम राइट अवे? पर्सनली यू शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर NCET. एंड मैं अपनी बात करूँ तो मेरा मैथ्स इतना अच्छा नहीं था एंड आई हैड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर NCET. अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स ऐसे हैं जो JEE में तुम इतने फोकस नहीं करते हो, पर NCET में वो इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं, स्पेशली द लॉजिकल रीजनिंग पार्ट that does not come in the JEE exam. So yes, you should definitely prepare for NCET. Can I apply for any scholarships? So yeah, you can apply for scholarship. There are two kinds of scholarship here. That is, the first one is especially for girls, Women in Tech scholarship, and the second one is Brightest Mind scholarship. The Brightest Mind scholarship is basically for those who have scored very high in exams like JEE or board exams, NCET exam also. So I heard कि learnability is also a section in NCET. Is that also coming up this year? No, learnability is not a part of NCET anymore. For my batch it was there, for your batch it has been removed. So do not have to take tension for that. तो यार obviously ये वीडियो तुम्हारे सारे डाउट्स क्लियर नहीं करता है. एंड जब मैं एज अ स्टूडेंट NCET के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा था तो मेरे भी बहुत सारे डाउट्स थे. एंड उस टाइम पे अगर आई हैड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कनेक्ट विद अ सीनियर तो मेरे बहुत सारे वो डाउट्स क्लियर हो जाते. So if you have any doubts, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or Instagram. I have attached my social media accounts in the description and feel free to reach out to me. And कोई भी डाउट है किसी भी तरीके का, I'll try my best to resolve these doubts and help you in the best way I can. अब बात करते हैं तुम्हारे फ़ायदे की. अब किसको डिस्काउंट पसंद नहीं है? तो अगर मैं तुम्हें बोलूँ कि तुम्हें NCET के लिए 500 रुपीज़ का एक फ़ी वेवर मैं दिला सकता हूँ, तो yes, do refer to the coupon code below which I have attached in the description so that you can get a 500 rupee off in your next NCET attempt. So interview guide is coming up very soon, so stay tuned.